In this video, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. First, open Gmail and sign into your account. Next, click on the bin and check if the email you're looking for is still there. If you don't find it, don't worry, there's another method you can try. Now, go to Google and search for the Gmail Message Recovery tool. Once you open the tool, before clicking Continue, make sure that the email address shown is correct. Then, click on Continue and let Google check your account for any recoverable emails. In some cases, you may be able to recover your emails. But sometimes, like in my case, you may see a message saying that the emails were permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. So keep in mind, this is the only official way to try to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. If this video helped you, make sure to like and check out more tutorials like this.